Bitcoin is not far from reclaiming its 200-week moving average, but traders are still highly suspicious of the bullish BTC price action. Bitcoin, BTC, took a swing at $23,000 into January 21 as Asia buyers drove fresh market strength. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC/USD battling bears to reach $22,790 on Bitstamp overnight, its highest since August. With new multi-month peaks coming in quick succession despite fears of a major correction, Bitcoin continued to surprise as traders cleared the way for more upside. As noted by intraday trader Stu, Asia was leading the way into the weekend, with sell-side pressure from market makers being absorbed on exchanges. Another rally driven by Asia bid. TWAP buyers absorbing the sell pressure from MMS large spot bid lifting offers and ask wall pulled prior to another short squeeze, Stu commented on a composite chart. On-chain analytics resource material indicators meanwhile flagged ask liquidity being removed on Binance the day prior, this allowing Bitcoin's initial run beyond the $22,000 mark. Volatility continues. Don't give it all back, be sure to take some profit along the way, it wrote in part of a subsequent update. As ever, Bitcoin was far from above suspicion at its latest highs, with some familiar faces still urging traders to prepare for the worst. The bigger the pump, the harder BTC will fall down, analyst Tony Guinea tweeted, while Crypto Tony argued that the entire move may be nothing more than a dead cat bounce. Regardless if this is dead cat relief wave or a reversal on Bitcoin, it is great to see some optimism back in crypto, he summarized. Considering why further gains were coming after the end of the week's TradFi trading, one popular commentator additionally suggested that traders were being manipulative. No one who genuinely wants to buy and own crypto waits until the Friday close each week to execute, an update read, adding that those buyers' aim is clear. Earlier in the week, material indicators had likewise warned of choreographed bidding on BTC. Attention thus focused on the upcoming weekly close for BTC/USD, which if current prices were to sustain would be its best since mid-August. At the same time, Bitcoin looked to be about to print a so-called death cross on the weekly chart, with the descending 50 WMA about to cross over the still rising 200 WMA. A major target was the 200-week moving average, WMA, currently at $24,650 and out of reach for much of 2022. The views, thoughts and opinions expressed here are the authors alone and do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions of Cointelegraph.